In this look at developed economies, we're going to begin with Scotland, part of the United Kingdom, way up in the Orkney Islands, and look at some lobster fishing. From there, we'll go to Ireland and look at some sheep farming. Then we'll move down to Greece, where we'll see some pistachio farms, followed by Italy, where we'll see some olive farms. And then we'll go to France, where we'll first be in a silver mine, followed by a cheese shop. And lastly, we'll finish off with some street markets in Hong Kong. Okay, so here we are in St. Mary's Hope. That's the name of the town in the Orkney Islands in northern Scotland. And here we see some lobster cages, which is awesome. Still fishing the traditional way here. Send those boats out every day. Of course, there's been a problem. Got a lot of shellfish up here in the Orkneys that have been having a hard time getting to market because the channel is being closed by the French. That's right, the French have been having protests and strikes, and it's causing a hampering of trade to mainland Europe from the British Isles. So here I am up in Orkney looking at some of the issues related to European commerce. Okay, just along the road here in Ireland.
Wait a minute, I gotta get my camera out.
I'm taking a video.
Oh, they're coming right up to us.
Yeah, that's good.
Sam, you can put down your window.
Put it out the window, Dad.
Where the heck is
Dad, out the window.
Here's a red one. That. Okay, on the island of Aegina in Greece, what we're looking at here are those are pistachios. Now this is May, late May, and they're not going to be ready till mid-August, maybe early September. It's quite interesting what they can make out of pistachios. Not just we think of it as just nuts, and then you have your roasted nuts. They have butter. They can make pesto out of it. It's amazing. You know, most pistachios actually are grown in Iran, which when there's conflict between the U.S. and Iran, that makes it very difficult. The other big place is California. This particular island is one of the unique islands. For some reason, there's something different about this island, at least on this side of the island, that they can grow pistachios. I did an okay near the Tuscan coast in Italy, and we see this is an olive tree right here. It's really quite interesting. You can see the green olives, and they're starting to turn. Some of these are turning into black olives, and I didn't try them, but apparently they're very bitter at this point. They're not ripe at all. So that's a whole farm of olive trees here in olive country. Sorry.
Là, au-dessus de ma tête, vous voyez donc le moyen qu'ils utilisaient au XVIe siècle. Là, on retrouve ce plafond plat, hein, justement pour l'aération. Vous voyez, c'est des caissons d'aérage, c'est en bois. D'accord? Alors, ça allait du début de la mine jusqu'à la fin de la mine.
I'm in a 15th century mine in the Alsace region of France in the Vosges Mountains. And this was a silver mine. 10% of the gold of the silver mined here was given to the ruler of the area. Most of it was turned into coins, the thaler, which eventually, as it got to America, we start calling the dollar.
Okay, alors in France you have 365 cheeses, so you have one for every day of the year.
Oh, bien.
And there's the saying, a day without cheese is like a day without sunshine.
Uh-huh.
So this is Brie de Meaux from the Parisian area, from Meaux. This is Abbaye de Citeaux, made by the monks from Citeaux. This is goat cheese from the south of France near the Spanish border, Catalogne, with a cross. As you can see here, this is a Catalogne cross, also the Protestant cross.
Okay.
This here is Comté, so it's a hard, dough or hard what cheese? Hard cheese. And this here is called Ponneau. It's from Normandy. It's a little bit like Pont l'Évêque, but it's dipped in Calvados. And the crust here is apple crumble dipped in Calvados and Ponneau, which is like apple port wine.
Uh-huh.
Right,
And
so this is the strongest. So you really should start with, I would think, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then this one.
okay.
Yeah, you finish always by the strongest cheese. And the stronger the cheese, the sweeter the wine.
Okay, and I've got my wine here next to me. All right.
Right, and that's Riesling.
Okay, Hong Kong actually calls this the ladies' market. I don't quite know what they're selling here, but it looks like they're selling everything. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what it's all about, but apparently it's shopping fun.